Let's get straight into it. So, here are 4 top reasons why working as a nurse offers job security because the hospitals need us. These are not in any particular order, so just know they are all important. But number 1 is for cost control, which helps hospitals manage their costs by preventing unnecessary treatments and ensuring that resources are used efficiently. So, by doing this, they have more profit and they won't run out of money, thus, can afford to pay us. Number 2, quality of care can be monitored and improved. So, by making sure patients receive appropriate and necessary care, hospitals can improve the overall quality of the care they provide. There's also different incentives for them, too, when it comes to having high ratings for the care they provide. For example, with improving the ratings with HEDIS, STAR measures, and HCAHPS, all of which are important and evaluated by CMS or Medicare. So, yeah, nurses are needed. Okay, now we're on number 3, compliance. Hospitals need to follow certain rules and guidelines to get reimbursed by insurance companies and government programs like Medicare. Helps ensure they meet these requirements. Not being in compliance can mean they don't get reimbursed or paid for the work they already did. Interesting, right? And last but not least, resource allocation. This helps hospitals allocate their resources, such as staff and equipment, more effectively by prioritizing necessary treatments. Just with any business, doing this saves time and money for everyone. So overall, is definitely significant and crucial, which means we will always be needed. So let's stay connected for more from us on this topic. Please join us in the Mastery for Nurses program, so you too can break off a few of these branches on this money tree for yourself, because healthcare isn't going anywhere anytime soon.